In the last tutorial, I showed you how to embed a Google Calendar on the introduction page. In this tutorial, what I'd like to show you is how to embed a survey on your wiki so that people visiting your wiki can just take the survey right on your site. And it's kind of a neat function. However, in order to do this, we're going to have to do a few complicated steps, and so I'm going to try and do this as explicitly as possible. The first thing we need to do is click on Edit Page so we can get into the editor. And unlike the embedding of the photo, what we're going to do is we're going to come up here and click on HTML. And this may or may not make sense to you, but I'm going to show you real quickly how to embed a survey right on your website. And the first thing we have to do is write some code. And so to start something new on the website, the code is just P, meaning new paragraph, and then you say iframe, and that's what we're going to be doing as a new iframe. And we have to tell the computer how big this frame is going to be, this internal frame. And so we just type height, H-E-I-G-H-T, equals, and this is going to be in pixels, and a good height is maybe like 600 pixels. And notice I put the number in the quotation marks. That's really important. And then the width we will just set equal to 800 pixels, and that's a pretty good size window on your wiki site. And then next thing we need is source, and source is going to tell the computer what we're going to put into this new frame we've just created. So in order to get the source, what we have to do is go to our survey page, and I already had a survey developed. It's called IPT Test Survey, and this is in Qualtrics. So I'll just click on the survey, and then I'll click on Distribute Survey, and this gives me the link to the survey so that people can go online and take it. And this is the most important part, so I'll just do Control C or Apple C, depending on what kind of computer you're using. That gets my link copied, and then I will go back to my page and I will just Control Paste it right in there. Okay, and so we're done with this frame, and so I close it with a little right pointing arrow, and then in order to officially close it, I just do a backspace iframe. I close the frame first, and then I close the paragraph in the same way. And so when I do this, before you click on update and officially put this in, you can click on preview, and it will actually show you the page preview of your wiki and what it's going to look like. So you can see that it embeds the survey right into your wiki, and there's scroll bars that allow your visitors to your wiki to go ahead and take the survey. And that's about it. So we like how it looks. The frame is good for our purposes. We'll just click on update, and you'll notice it enters it as a Google Gadget iframe, and we don't get anything yet, so we'll click on save, and as you can see on our content page, now we have our embedded survey. And so this is the same process you'll use to embed any kind of survey. The most important thing you need to remember is to get the link address for your specific survey so that you can embed it in the wiki. And that is it.